Single mums, this one's for you. Trying to get that room all nice and decorated for the baby coming. Completely understand. And if you've been liking and following for more flooring videos, you'll know that these type of repairs are quite easily done. So first up, we take the measurement of the carpet we need. Try and make it a little bit bigger if possible. Usually we take the piece from the corner, but in this particular instance, thought it'd match better taking the piece from underneath the bed. So we just proceed with the repair, as you can see here. It's always worth bearing in mind that you can actually repair carpet. You don't have to replace the actual full room. And as you can see here, I'm just giving the carpet a little bit of a trim just to get rid of the stains. This process just brings the carpet back to life and obviously just revives it as well, as you can see. Off to the van to replace the piece from underneath the bed, and we'll get that all blended in. You can't even tell there's a piece been put there. Must be luck. Then it's off to blend in the actual repair that we've just done with the paint, and as you can see, it's looking quite well. I mean, the carpet does all need a clean, but there's the end result. You decide. Like and follow for more flooring videos. Beautiful.